Getting approved for a Best Buy credit card is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. You need to be at least 18 years old and 21 in Puerto Rico, have a social security number, a driver's license, or government-issued photo ID, and a 128-bit security encryption-enabled browser. Now, go to bestbuy.com and create a Best Buy account. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in. Once you've created an account, you can proceed to the application. The form will ask you for personal, financial, and security information. If you are approved for a Best Buy credit card, it will be sent through the mail. If your credit score is on the lower side, consider taking steps to rebuild your credit before applying for a Best Buy credit card. This might involve paying down existing debts and making on-time payments. Before applying, review the terms and conditions of the credit card. Understand the interest rates, fees, and any rewards or benefits offered.